Hey creators, so today I have Olaf and Anna set 41618 and its ages 10 and up and it has 200 pieces. I feel so sad. Okay. I did. Yeah, I just open it on the side. Why is this box so hard to open? Why do you keep on making your boxes so hard to open? That didn't feel right. After trying to figure out how to open it, come back on camera. Oh yeah, straight. Why does it say Elsa? Okay, I'll see you back after the time lapse. So this is Anna and this is Olaf, and of course Olaf would be smaller than Anna. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't scare. Goodbye, creators.